Welcome to Wimbledon, the beating heart of tennis history, where silence speaks louder than applause and tradition is as sacred as victory. From these manicured lawns came the blueprint for a global sport. It all began here in 1877. The All England Croquet Club, as it was then known, needed funds for a new lawn roller. So they hosted a new lawn game called tennis. The first Gentlemen's Singles Championship was born. Just 22 players entered. The final drew around 200 spectators, each paying a shilling. The winner was Spencer Gore, a cricketer with a powerful volley, and Wimbledon's first champion. What started as a modest local competition quickly grew. In 1884, ladies' singles and men's doubles were introduced. Maud Watson became the first female champion, playing in a corset and ankle-length skirt. The Victorian era had its customs, but Wimbledon quietly began rewriting the rules. Through the 20th century, Wimbledon expanded its identity, but never abandoned its values. Players wore white. Silence reigned between points. Rain was part of the ritual. In 1922, Centre Court was built, and the tournament moved to its current site on Church Road. Crowds grew, royalty watched from the stands, and the British summer found its anthem. The legends came and conquered. Fred Perry became a British hero in the 1930s, winning 3 titles before turning professional, a move Wimbledon once frowned upon. Suzanne Lenglen brought flair and freedom to the women's game. Rod Laver dazzled with 2 Grand Slams. Billie Jean King fought not just for trophies, but for equality. In 1967, Wimbledon became the first tournament to be broadcast in colour. A year later, it became the first Grand Slam to open its doors to professional players. This was the birth of the Open era, where the best could finally meet, regardless of status. Modern technology arrived, slowly, respectfully. In 2009, a retractable roof was installed over Centre Court. In 2021, the Middle Sunday tradition of rest was retired. And yet, Wimbledon still feels like stepping back in time. Some things haven't changed. Players still bow or curtsy to the royal box. The grass must be precisely 8 millimeters long. Strawberries and cream are still served, 38 tons of them every year. From Björn Borg's cool dominance in the 70s to the drama of McEnroe and Connors, from Martina Navratilova's unmatched 9 titles to the modern legends Federer, Serena, Nadal, Djokovic. Wimbledon is where greatness is written on grass. But Wimbledon is more than a tournament. It is a place of stories, of dignity, of quiet intensity. A sanctuary of sport, where past and present live side by side. Where a 19th century gentleman named Spencer Gore first lifted a modest silver cup and unknowingly sparked a sporting tradition that would inspire the world. This is Wimbledon, where tennis began, where history endures, and where the spirit of the game will forever live on.